Wish you a wonderful morning, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Myself, Shubhangi Shukla from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. So kids, today we are going to write dictation words. Okay, today we are going to write dictation words related to sounds of O. Okay, so please take out your English workbook. Okay, and open your page number 77. Kids, do not forget to mention date and classwork at the top. Okay, so let's start. Your first word is fog. Your first word is fog. What is the spelling of fog? Yes, spelling of fog is F-O-G. Fog. So let's write it down. F-O-G. Fog. F-O-G. Fog. Now come to the next word. Your next word is jog. Your next word is jog. And spelling of jog is J-O-G. Jog. J-O-G. Jog. J-O-G. Jog. Very nice. Now come to the next word. Your next word is lot. Your next word is lot. So what is the spelling of lot, kids? Yes, you all know this one. It is L-O-T. Lot. L-O-T. Lot. So write down the spelling of lot. L-O-T. Lot. Very nice. Now jump to the next word. Your next word is mop. Your next word is mop. So let's write down the spelling now. M-O-P. Mop. Right? M-O-P. Mop. M-O-P. Mop. M-O-P. Mop. Come to your next word. Your next word is pop. Your next word is pop. P-O-P. Pop. P-O-P. Pop. P-O-P. Pop. Very nice. Now next is cord. Next is cord. C-O-D. Cord. C-O-D. Cord. Write C-O-D. Cord. C-O-D. Cord. C-O-D. Cord. Very nice. Now come to your next word. Come to your next word, kids. Your next word is God. Your next word is God. And spelling of God is G-O-D. God. G-O-D. God. Let's write down the spelling of God. G-O-D. God. G-O-D. God. Very nice. Now come to your next word. Your next word is rod. Your next word is rod. R-O-D. Rod. R-O-D. Rod. So write down R-O-D. Rod. R-O-D. Rod. Next is boy. B-O-Y. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. B-O boy. B-O-Y, boy. Come to your next word, and the last one, it is joy. J-O-Y, joy. J-O-Y, joy. So write down J-O-Y, joy. J-O-Y, joy. So kids, this way you have to do dictation words of sound of O in your English workbook on page number 77 and 78. Okay, you have to write like this. Okay, write very neatly and very beautifully, kids. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.